All right, we're here at the Professional Arts Building in Roanoke. Do those work?
No.
I mean, work? That's so weird.
It's hand operated.
Yeah, I can tell.
Elevator up.
There it is.
Elevator down.
Very masculine sounding woman.
Alright, we're gonna get an HD sound of that.
Elevator up.
It's so funny. I love that door though. You can tell it used to be hand operated. Where's the other one?
You have to send it somewhere.
I'm gonna take a ride on it.
Oh, you are?
Yep. Okay, listen.
Elevator up.
I think this one's broken. No, it's not.
I love how the bells are just pathetic.
Mm-hmm. Although we have more bell than indicator.
Here, let me push this up here and you can...
Elevator down.
It's a weird chime.
It is. It sounds like a generic voice.
Well, it is.
They had one.
in Fredericksburg.
I like how it messed up going down though. Like elevator down.
And it's because it was controlled as a
Chime.
a regular chime.
Yeah.
Floor one.
This one actually says the.
This one says the floor.
But it's two different modules.
Yeah.
Elevator up.
This one actually has parking.
That'll be it.